Today we're going to be solving word problems in fractions. And now let's move on to the first question. Kaylee, or Kylie, or whatever you want to call her, keeps mollies, guppies, and angelfish in her aquarium, and 1/4 of the fish are mollies. 2/3 of the remainders are guppies, and the rest are angelfish. She has 12 angelfishes. How many fishes does Kylie have altogether? To solve this, we need to make a model. So, like she said, 1/4 of the fishes are mollies. So we're going to mark them with M. Then 2/3 of the remainder, we've got 3 boxes over there, so we're going to cover up 2/3 of the remainder, are guppies. And the rest, which is the 1 box left over there, is the angelfish box. So we're going to mark that with the letter A. And she said she has 12 angelfish, so that 1 box is represented with the number 12. So how much fish does Kaylee have altogether? So as we know that 1 box is equals to 12 fishes. Therefore 4 boxes must be 12 times 4, or 4 times 12, which is equals to 48. Now we're going to move on to the second question. Rosna gave 3/5 of her sum of money to her parents and divided the remainder equally amongst her 4 brothers. Her parents received $240. How much did each of Rosna's brothers receive? So we're going to divide the model that we have here into 5 parts, and like the question said, 3/5 of the money that Rosna has was given to her parents. And then she gave $240 to her parents. And then she gave the remainder equally amongst her 4 brothers. So the 2/5, which is the remainder, we're going to divide them into 4 boxes, which represents 4 brothers. And to make it easier, we're going to divide the boxes of the parents into 2 as well. So now we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 boxes. Okay? But how much does 1 brother receive? So to do that, first we're going to divide the 6 boxes that Rosna's parents have by the amount of money that Rosna gave to her parents. So 240 divided by 6, which becomes $40, which means 1 box is equal to $40. And there you have the answer. So, one of Rosna's brothers was given $40. Now let's move on to the third and final question. Anan had some money. He spent $200 on clothes, whatever brand of clothes he spent his money on. 2/5 of his remaining money on the pair of boots and saved the rest. He saved $126. How much money did Anan have at first? So we're going to make a model. So let's say he spent $200 on clothes. So that's $200. And then we're going to divide the remainder into 5 boxes, alright? So that's the remainder. And he said he spent 2/5 of his remaining money on a pair of boots. So we're going to mark those with B. And then save the rest. So he saved the rest of the money. So we're going to mark the last 3 boxes with the letter S. And he said he saved $126. So how much money did he have at first? Well, so we already know that 3 boxes is equal to 126. Like the 3/5 of the remainder is $126 because he saved $126. So how much does 1 box represent? So 126 divided by 3, which becomes 42. So to know the amount of money he had at first, 200 plus 5 times 42. We multiply 5 and 42 because, as you can see here, if we total the amount of boxes he had that he spent on boots and that he saved, we have 5 boxes times $42. So it becomes 200 plus $210, which becomes 410. So he had $410 at first.